Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'll be showing you the ways to change your background on PS5 or PlayStation. To change the background, you could follow these simple steps. Now, first thing first, open up your device. After that, it's time to set the image as your wallpaper. For that, press the PS button to get it. After that, you want to click on the profile from the top right and click on edit profile. As you click on edit profile, after that, then you want to click on cover image. Once you've done it so, you want to select the change image options from the bottom of the page. Then you want to go ahead and pick the PS5 wallpaper and hit select. If this is your preferences, go ahead and select that. And you will get a preview of the PS5 background and click on the save button if you're satisfied. Now that's it. This is the way you could go ahead and make changes with your PS5 background image. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.